Hey boys and girls, welcome to Math for Monday, April 27th. We are still in our Envisions book. We're going to start on chapter 12 today, so we'll be on lesson 12-1. That's page 667. Now, this chapter that we're getting ready to do, chapter 12, it's pretty fun because it is all about measuring and looking at how we can tell if things are longer or shorter than other items, and it is just a lot of fun. You kind of don't even realize that you're doing math because it's so much fun. So, on page 667, if you look in your book, they show you 3 different objects. So I want to show you 3 different objects, and I want you to help me put them in order from longest to shortest. And it also says, how can you tell if an object is shorter or longer than something else? So what if I show you some scissors, here they are, an ink pen, and a glue stick. How could I tell what is shorter or longer? If I just look at them laid out here on the floor, right away I can tell that the glue stick, that's pretty short. It's tiny. But the pen and the scissors, you might need to kind of line them up. If you put the edges, if they start at the same point, then you can see which one is longer. So if I were to have, you guys see that if I do that? My glue stick, my pen, and my scissors up here. Now, I need to figure out which is the longest object. Let's see. So to me, it looks like the pen is longer than the scissors, and the scissors are longer than the glue stick. So my longest object would be my pen. The object in the middle would be scissors, and the shortest object would be our glue stick. Now, in your book, you can go ahead and they give you 3 different objects, but they just ask you to draw those. So you don't have to be the best drawer in the world. You know that I'm not. So I'm going to draw my pen. I'm going to make it, kind of make it like this, a little tip on it with the cap. All right, so there's my pen. Then we're going to try your best to just draw the scissors. So here's my scissors. All right, there's some wacky scissors. And then my little glue stick was the shortest object. So there's my glue stick, there's its cap. All right, so we ordered these objects, these 3 things, in order from longest to shortest. So let's turn our page and look at the top of page 688. It says you can put these worms, they have little worms drawn on the page. You can put the worms in order by length. Now, this is what it looks like. Let me show you. All right, we're going to have a little short red one. Can we pretend this is yellow? I don't have a yellow marker. It works on my board. A longer yellow and a not quite as long blue. Now, when I look up here, I think, okay, right away, I can see that this red one is the shortest. So, when I would order these from longest to greatest, you can either, whichever way works for your brain, if you want to say, okay, this one's the longest, and then this one, so then we'll move that shortest one down here. So we have these ordered from longest to shortest. You can see how this worm is longer than the blue worm. The blue worm is longer than the red worm, and the red worm is shorter than all of the other worms. Now, your book gives you some great practice. So for today, I'm going to have you guys do page 688 and 668, 669, and 670. It's only a total of 9 questions, and I think though that you'll find them to be really fun. Measuring is one of my favorite things to do, and it's so cool because you can use it in so many things in life, not just in your math book. So I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow.